recording. I'm recording you, Mom.
The birds do. Not me. The girls. My friend.
Your friend? Wait, but there's more than one. Hello. Where are they?
They were all over the grass and then they came back to the tree.
What do you have to say about this? Wait, I need to
Record them. They're over there.
anything to say.
Oh my gosh. Go record the clothes.
Okay.
Stop recording. Where's Princess?
Haley, careful, I told you. Leave her, Haley. Bro, forget it. Where are they? I hear his call, but it sounds so far away now. Suddenly, they left.
No, they didn't.
Oh, never mind. They're like, nah, we're still here.
Maybe they just responded. Really?
Wait, I'm gonna make it nighttime. Or like darker.
Where are they? Oh,
Ooh. It's like, I'm gonna make it brighter.
no, wherever you are. It's like, where are
What did you find?
The world outside. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. You look at me?
No.
Wait, look at me.
No.
I'm taking pictures of you, that's why.
No, Titi, no.
Yeah, I got enough pictures. I'm making an edit with those.
They lost and found.
Come here.
They went lost and found.
Look at me.
No.
I'm just gonna. Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Get it. Trash it.
You see your face? Come back. I just want to take a picture. I almost bumped into the thing. Oh, that way.
Stop, Mommy. I want to take a
Enough
picture
today.
and I don't want to.
She said no.
Fine, I guess I'll just take a picture of this
did not
tuna
authorize.
with corn.
She did not authorize the release of her photos and videos.
Mommy, I done eating because I want to play.
You look
She has meat
gross.
to
Okay, but watch me.
almost
Brightness
done.
up.
Okay.
I'll tell you when.
Okay, that's too much.
Lost and found.
I was recording myself. Hi! You literally hit the camera. I choked on saliva. So guys, it's a beautiful day. As you can see.
She's recording you.
No, it's not a beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Ow! What the? Okay. I got enough pictures. Make a part 2 because I'm gonna flip the camera.
Can I wanna join my cooking stuff?
Oh wait.